So our tutorial for today is all about Rule 5 of lookout. So on this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to report by relative pairings. So as per Rule 5, we need to have all available means and report at the same time all the targets that we are seeing as per radar. So the proper reporting procedure for lookouts is by relative pairing. So these relative pairings is the same with 32 points of the compass. So in relative bearings, we need to report our vessels through dead ahead, 1 point on the starboard bow, 2 points on the starboard bow, 3 points on the starboard bow, broad on the starboard bow. Okay? So this is also the same on the 32 points, which is 11.25 degrees. Po yung every angles, no? Or directions that we are referring to. So for example, you see this vessel here. Okay? So if this is your vessel, you should report target sighted, sir. 2 points on the starboard bow. It means you see the other vessels bearing with 22.50 degrees from your vessel. And the rest will follow. Okay? So let us mention the different points in relative pairing continually. So next also, 3 points forward of the starboard beam, 2 points forward of the starboard beam, 1 point on the starboard beam, and a beam. So target sighted, a beam, sir, like that. Next, 1 point above the starboard beam, 2 points above the starboard beam, 3 points above the starboard beam. And if you see any vessel at your back or on the stern part of your vessel, so broad on the starboard quarter. Okay? So next is 3 points on the starboard quarter, 2 points on the starboard quarter, 1 point on the starboard quarter, and then the stern. So we go here to the other side of our vessel. So if you see the vessel here, you are going to report by target sighted, 2 points on the port bow, sir. So like that. No? So this is how you're going to report to your master or pilot during maneuvering or during your watch. No? So 1 point on the port bow, 2 points on the port bow, 3 points on the port bow, and broad on the port bow. So you don't need to mention the 4 point. So if you're going to see it by the broad on the port bow, mentioning this will do. Okay? So the same here. Right? Next, 3 points port of the port beam, 2 points port of the port beam, 1 point of the port beam, and a beam. Next, above port beam. Next, 2 points above the port beam, 3 points above the port beam, and broad on the port quarter. Next, 3 points on the port quarter, 2 points on the port quarter, and lastly 1 point on the port quarter, and lastly the stern. Okay? So if you're going to see the vessel, then ahead, face to face. So that is how you're going to report.